Dry beef jerky is full of flavor and slightly tangy from fermented rice. This is a traditional recipe from Isan, Thailand that my family used to make. Enjoy with steamed sticky rice and som tam. This recipe makes around 650 grams of dry beef jerky. The ingredients needed are 1.5 kilograms of lean beef with around 2 to 5% fat, cut about 3/4 inch thickness, 120 grams of garlic, peeled and washed, 100 grams of cooked rice, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 3/4 tablespoon of salt, and oil for deep frying. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, prepare the marination. Pound all the garlic to pieces. I am using a deep mortar to prevent the garlic from jumping out. Alright, garlic is in smaller pieces now. Remove from the mortar and set aside. Now we cut the beef into thin strips. It's important to follow the muscle line rather than cross it, so the jerky will be easier to eat. Divide the beef into smaller sections to make it more manageable. Then cut into long strips of 1/3 inch thick. We like to get more than a few bites from one jerky, but the length is up to you. Be careful as the beef is slippery when cutting into thin strips. Alright, all our beef strips are done. Sprinkle 1/3 of the salt over the beef and rub to marinate them. Turn it and marinate with another 1/3 of the salt. Repeat with the last 1/3 of the salt. Next, add all the pepper. Rub to marinate. Lastly, add all the garlic and cooked rice. While stirring for 1 to 2 minutes, squeeze the beef. This extracts the juices and mix it with the rice and garlic before it is reabsorbed by the beef. Adding cooked rice will impart a slightly tangy fermented flavor to the beef as it is marinating, and turn it into crispy bits when it is done. Alright, all done. Now transfer the beef into smaller bowl. Cover with double cling wrap to make it secure and airtight. Put it in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours or overnight. The longer it marinates, the more prominent the tangy flavor will be. After 2 hours, arrange the beef strip on a netted tray above a baking tray without any overlap. It is advisable to line the baking tray with parchment paper for an easier cleanup. We will be drying the beef under the sun for 1 day, or in Thai we call it Nưa Daet Diew. As the sun is super strong in Thailand and Malaysia, drying the beef is only take about 8 to 9 hours. Alternatively, a dehydrator can also be used. I am not sure about oven baking, as it would need to run for about 7 hours at about 40 degrees Celsius. Today, the temperature here is about 34 to 36 degrees Celsius sunny day. Whatever it is super hot. Alright, the netting is full. And these are the detached garlic pieces and cooked rice. Sprinkle all over the beef. Put it aside for now. I also have just a little more beef strips. I will dry them in a smaller tray here. Put the beef tray out in the sun and cover it with the insect screen cover. Traditionally, we do not cover the meat as this extremely hot sun is enough to prevent insects from disturbing it. After about 4 hours, turn the meat over. See, the outside has started drying nicely and it is quite firm. Some, especially in the middle ones, are still slightly soft. Cover and let it continue drying for another 4 hours. Alright, it is evening now. Let's check on the beef. This is considered done, as most of it has dried up quite well, but some of them are still malleable and have a bit of moisture inside. As I like it very dry, I will put them in the sun for another half day tomorrow. This is totally optional, as the beef jerky is ready to grill or deep fry. After another half day, the beef is firm and very dry. Notice that the strip of beef has shrunken a lot. It is perfect now. Remove them from the wire rack. Place the beef that are shorter on one side and the longer ones on another. Wrap in oil-absorbent paper. The total weight of this batch is 646 grams. They can be stored like this in an airtight container at the room temperature for about a week, or in the fridge for up to 2 months. For today, I will make some as a side dish. In a pan of heated oil over medium heat, add the beef jerky, arranging them without overlapping. Let them fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. They should change from a super dark brown to a reddish brown as they fry. After 4 minutes, remove from the hot oil with a strainer. Shaking to remove excess oil, make sure to scoop up the crispy bits as well. Rest it over the heat-proof basin to drip off excess oil. Repeat for the rest of the jerky as preferred. Once the jerky turns reddish like this, it is done. Remove with a strainer and shake off the excess oil. I am frying the rest of the garlic and rice that was detached from the beef earlier. This will make an amazing garnish. When they have turned golden brown, remove from the heat with a strainer. Shaking to remove excess oil. When slightly cool, serve the beef jerky with sticky rice, raw veggie, and namprik or the Thai sambal belacan. Garnish with the deep fried garlic and rice from earlier. And our simple Thai Isan meal is done. See how dry it is. Let's eat. Just perfect. It is so full of flavor, crispy from the outside and chewy inside with a hint of sourness. I really enjoy chewing the beef jerky and it is so tasty and full of flavor. I have missed this. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somthit. Thank you and bye-bye.